Nationals of St. Kitts and Nevis with existing student loans with the Development Bank of St. Kitts and Nevis are being added to the government's graduate finance project and will now see the interest rate on their loans reduced to 5% per annum. This according to Prime Minister and Minister of Finance, Honorable Dr. Terence Drew, during his press conference with cabinet ministers on Thursday.
They want to announce today that come June 1st, existing student loans in the Development Bank will now be reduced to 5%. I think when we made the first announcement, I said we are going to come back and announce something else. And so students who are presently paying at 9%, from the 1st of June, you are encouraged to go to the Development Bank and have your interest reduced from 9% down to 5%.
Graduate Finance Project, which was launched on April 6, 2023, initially saw the interest rate on only new student loans at Development Bank reduced to 5% per annum. Prime Minister Drew said the reduction in the interest rate will greatly benefit the graduates and afford them the opportunity to live and plan for better lives.
This will give students space to buy a home, invest in a business, so that they can get out of their parents' home. Many of them come back from study, and because of the high interest on loans and the interest they accumulated during the studies, they have to stay home until they're 40 plus. And so we want that when students go to study, they can quickly transition into independent living. After all, what you went to study for is to advance your life. We understand that.
The Graduate Finance Project also provides a grace period of 4.25 years with a 15-year repayment term. It includes EC $15,000 credit to service the student loan during that period, which eliminates the payment of interest for 4 years and 3 months.
Which means that if you go to Development Bank and take a loan, your parents don't have to pay any interest for you while you are studying. And as a result of that, it gives your family space. And when you come back, that interest will not accumulate. Before, that interest used to accumulate up to $15,000. Even before you start paying back your student loan, you had to clear that interest that you accumulated while you're studying if your parents were not in a position to cover it for you, or you were not in a position to cover it. So that is a big relief. And also having 5% interest loan means that you'll pay less monthly. And we have estimated that students will save about $100,000, up to $100,000 during the course of the loan repayment.
That was Prime Minister and Minister of Finance, Honorable Dr. Terence Drew.